G'day viewers, continuing on a series of solar maintenance, repair and service, we're going to drill down on earthing today. Now you may well ask that, why is earthing so important on your system? Well, any electrical appliance, if it has a metal frame and some active wire shorts to the frame, well, the electricity is going to try and find the quickest and easiest path to ground. Now in most appliances, the actual frame of the thing has a wire that goes directly to a point that's connected to the ground, so that if anything happens and anything shorts out, well, the current will flow straight through the frame of the thing and straight to ground, and you'll be safe. So, and the electrical wires will short out. But if the system's not earthed properly, it's going to find the path to ground. So if in the unlikely event that something happens and it shorts out to the frame, now the array shorts out or the inverter shorts out, you go and touch that inverter, the electricity is going to find a way through you. Now, you're either going to get electric shock or it's going to kill you. Now, the same thing on the roof of your house. If your solar array is not earthed properly and there's something happened, a cable's crushed there or something shorts out to the frame, well, that frame's going to try and find a way to earth. So what it's going to do is it's going to then, that current is going to go to your roof, if it's a metal roof, and if it's a metal frame house and it's not earthed properly, it may well liven up the entire frame of the house. So we don't want that. So basically that's why earthing is so important on your system. It also has some small effect on the efficiency of your system as well. So when we're doing solar maintenance, one of the things we look at is the earthing and the integrity of earthing, if the earthing is done correctly, or if the appliances are earthed at all. So anyway, I hope that helps. This is our first part one of the series, and I'll see you later.